While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, included as ETH, which is the local digital currency in view of the stage. With decentralized finance (DeFi) turning into all the rage, calculations and science-upheld digital forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. They include brilliant agreement usefulness as well as deal-less safe and profoundly secure arrangement of exchanges, and exchanging with mediators included. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum is a high-level blockchain project and generally well known among digital currency fans, chiefly because of its nodal position in the realm of cryptographic forms of money. Look at the coin subtleties before we leap to point-by-point Ethereum cost expectation today. The mystery uncoded. Technology behind Ethereum. Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this digital money, the whole peculiarity and essential focal point of this cryptographic money is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, and items, to give some examples, which can be based on the stage. As made sense of above, Ethereum empowers designers to form and work on shrewd agreements, naturally carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Going through the different transformative phases and development systems, the stage has stayed with its arrangement and items to reliably redesign the convention to guarantee further developed ease of use, security, usefulness, and decentralization. Ethereum. The empirical rise. What makes Ethereum digital currency a sought-after prize is because of its expectation in view of essential perspectives. Here cash speed rises to the cost remainder. All amounts are characterized in government-issued money units, setting P equals 1 and M is determined by the quantity of digital currencies, duplicated by the cost of single crypto, Q is how much worth being moved across the organization, and V's examination continues as before. Consequently, this capability chips away at the vitally base system that digital currency is conversely relative to its speed. Ethereum price chart. Most digital money faces unpredictability in an unpredicted way that settles on the speculation choice in altcoins really testing. Be that as it may, according to our conjectures, the crypto world will just see a flood in exchanging exercises and speculation altcoins. According to the Ethereum cost conjecture, the ETH cost exhibited an outstanding execution last year and enrolled an unequaled high of $4,891.70 in November 2021. Afterward, ETH digital money confronted enormous negative tension in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell underneath $2,500 by January 2022 end. Due to the crypto market slump of May 2022, the costs have seen a lofty fall, and according to gauges, the fall might go on for quite a while. Regardless of the cost fall, ETH United States dollar is by all accounts finishing this year certainly as a major bull, dashing to support its situation in the speculation market. Starting from the start of this current year, ETH has checked huge unpredictability and, surprisingly, in the continuous month. Throughout the course of recent weeks, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,500 and $1,200. Presently, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,193.37, and despite the fact that it is 18.07% down from yesterday, it is normal to recuperate soon. Specialists' take on ETH price prediction: the more, the merrier. The more the specialists' crypto appraisals and suppositions for the Ethereum cost expectations, the better it is. Tell us what industry specialists gauge for the ETH venture for the approaching 5 years. Based on our Ethereum cost expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal, and the cost guess for 2027 is $9,800.660. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 719.32%. As per our ETH cost forecast, the coin could cross the $2,000 cost mark toward the finish of 2022. The most extreme cost may be around $1,985.569 and the base around $1,350.187. The typical cost of Ethereum for December 2022 may be around $1,588.455. Toward the finish of 2022, the ETH cost may be at $530. The greatest cost is $626, the base cost is $489. The normal for December 2022 will be around $557. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the finish of December 2023 may be around $983. When 2024 methodologies, we can see ETH resting at the sign of $2,090.56, according to our ETH cost forecast. ETH price prediction. 2022 to 2026. Somewhat recently, Ethereum has brought financial backers gigantic returns before the beginning of another year. According to Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly extraordinary resource for speculation contrasted with Bitcoin and for merchants who can exploit these cost swings for the short and long haul. Ethereum price prediction 2022. The fresh insight about European Investment Bank's $121 million advanced bond with the Ethereum network assisted the Ethereum with estimating developed dramatically. As of late, ETH confronted a sharp decay subsequent to hitting a record-breaking high at $4,891.70, yet later, it recovered the lost force and crossed the $3,000 cost mark. In any case, since May the whole crypto market is confronting a negative feeling, prompting steep cost succumbs to every one of the resources. According to the ongoing cost energy, Ethereum could cross $1,800 toward the finish of 2022. Having seen a monstrous DApp reception that drove the value activity of ETH crypto. Likewise, an update called ETH 2.0 is good to go to at last send off, which is a further expansion of ETH. According to our estimates, this will push the organization's versatility to 100,000 exchanges each second, moving the blockchain from energy-concentrated POW to POS. The organization is really famous, with various ventures based on it. Ethereum price prediction 2023. With organizations and collusions and local area financing, the market glances back at ETH crypto to perform, arriving at a degree of $2,200, which is very hopeful in the cost of view yet without a doubt possible for the not-so-distant future. Ethereum price prediction 2024. With any progressions in strategies and guidelines, Ethereum may too have its portion of murky days. Assuming